How to fix Instagram story restyle option not showing problem. So if you want to fix Instagram story restyle option not showing, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Instagram. After opening, you can go with your story. Now, for example, I've uploaded something on my story. After that, I'll have an option to edit my story or restyle my story. Or while adding something on your story, like for example, I'll go with this one. Now you can go with the three dots, which is on the top right, and here you will have an option of restyle. But if you don't find the option of restyle, then it might not be available in your region yet. So in order to get that option, you need to update your application. So you need to open up your Play Store at first and then go with search and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have your internet connection, you need to search for Instagram, and then if you have any updates on your Instagram, you need to go and update it. After updating your Instagram, your problem might be fixed. You can go back to your Instagram and you will find the restyle option. But even after updating, if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is just simply go and restart a device. After updating your Instagram, you can go and restart, and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. Or you can just simply go back, search for your Instagram, tap and hold on to it, go with app info. Under app info, you need to go with clear data and then tap on clear cache and tap on OK. And this will fix your problem. And if it's still not available, then just wait for a few weeks till you get that option in your region or your country. And with the latest update, you will have that option. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.